Okay, we got a dead-end project here. I had this frame for quite some time, and I thought it was a Honda, and we still suspect it is. And we have the mount back here that goes through the swing arm. However, I have not a brand new, but I have a rebuilt motor here. This is a 1978 Honda CR250. The rear cradle fits in here perfectly, but the motor is not over far enough. That was about 12 millimeter off. And if you look here, the exhaust right here comes off to the side, and it won't clear the frame on the motor, on the frame here. So so we know this is a 78 Honda CR250 motor for sure. It's all rebuilt. However, we're not sure what the frame is. In all these years we thought it was that, but it hits right here coming out. So probably be better if we had a center port motor here, I believe. So I believe this frame is for a center port motor. However, the Honda fits perfect in here. So I don't know for sure what frame this is. Okay, we're going to be offering this for sale on VFT or our webpage, Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. So if there's any interest, we'd be happy to talk to you about it. And low-cost shipping is available on request as we get around a little bit racing. And also, the motor is rebuilt by Larry Zumbrun of LZ Racing. He's a very, very, very good engine builder as well as tuner. And this was done by him years ago. So the motor is all redone, ready to go. So we just thought we'd show you what we had. So I will be offering them separate or together. Okay, thanks.